You're so soft. She's got some soft ears. Yes, you do. So it's softer than cotton. This is Zera Rose. We call her Z. She answers to Z. I think she's about 4 months old, 4 or 5 months old. Uber soft, so soft. She's super sweet. She does have some commands that she listens to. Sit pretty and of course down and lay. And she's very active with all of her animals. She's in a house with 5 other dogs and 6 cats. So she does play with cats. If a cat tells her to stay away from her, basically she just kind of goes the long way around. So she's already been warned on that. She does eat in her kennel and she does sleep in her kennel. She does know how to get in there and stay in there for a while. So I mean, she's just a super happy-go-lucky puppy. She loves life.
That's awesome.
Yeah, she has played with children as well, so she's done well with kids. And butterflies. She loves butterflies. She's totally fine with baths.
She seems very tolerant.
Mm-hmm.
That's
She's
awesome.
good with the baths. Let's see. She's good about laying on the bed with you. She likes to get under the blankets. And she does watch TV. Not often though, right? Like you got me all dirty already. Yeah, you got me dirty already, yes.
Aww.
Nope, she stays in the back. Well, she rode in the back of the truck, back seat. We didn't have no problem. She didn't get up from there. She just stayed there. So she's really good at in the vehicle. She does chase. She does tug of war. She does the little mouth thing where they're always biting on each other but not really hurting each other. She just likes to play. She does play with the cats as well the same way.
So sweet and so soft. Oh, I want to hang out with you all day. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Clear my schedule. Let's hang out with Zera all day. Oh, do you smell treats? Do you smell treats? Yeah, you're gonna get them? Zera?
Z.
How does... Oh. You dropped it. You got too excited. You dropped it. Look. Oh, so gentle. Good job. Good job.
Down, down, down. Nope, down, down, down. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.